3 years ago, many believed this war would last week. Today, it has reshaped global powers, economies, and the future of Europe. Missiles still falls, drones dominate the skies, and peace feels as distant as ever. But here's the real question: is this still just a war between Russia and Ukraine, or has it become something much bigger? Stay with me, because what's happening right now could decide the balance of power for the next decade. The war, which began with Russia's full-scale invasion in February 2022, has evolved into a grinding war of attrition. Fighting remains intense in southern and eastern Ukraine. Front lines move slowly, sometimes only a few kilometers in months. Ukraine continues to defend key cities and infrastructure. Russia pushes forward using heavy artillery, long-range missiles, and increasingly drones. Both sides are exhausted, but neither side is ready to stop. Why? Because this war is no longer about territory. It's about survival, influence, and global reputation. This is the first major war where drones have changed everything. Small, fast, and deadly FPV drones now hunt tanks and soldiers. Long-range drones strikes oil depots, power stations, and military bases. The battlefield has become transparent. There is almost nowhere to hide. Military experts say this conflict is rewriting modern warfare doctrine. What's happened right now can shape how wars were fought in the world wide. The consequences far beyond Eastern Europe. Energy markets were shaken, food supplies were disrupted, the military spend has surged across Europe. Countries like NATO have increased support for Ukraine, providing weapons, intelligence, and financial aids. Meanwhile, Russia has deepened ties with non-Western allies to bypass sanctions and sustain its war effort. This war have divided the world into competing power blocks. This is not just a regional conflict, it is a part of a larger global power struggle. Behind the headlines and military analysis, there is a devastating human cost. Thousands of soldiers dead in both sides, millions of Ukrainians have been displaced, and entire cities have been reduced to rubble. Many families were separate, children were growing in air raid shelters, but for many, normal life feels like a distant memory. War statistics are number. Every number represents a life that can change forever. So what happened next? Three possibilities are discussed: a long frozen conflict with shifting front lines, a negotiation ceasefire with unresolved tension, escalation that could pull more nations directly into the war. No clear breakthrough is visible, but both sides believe time is on their side. But time in war is never neutral. The Ukraine-Russia war has changed history. It reshaped alliance, rewritten military strategy, and tested the global stability. There is no longer question how it starts. The important question is how will it end? And when it ends, what kind of the world left behind? If you found the breakthrough helpful, comment below. If you like my video, make sure to like, subscribe. Thank you.